What you will do then, Sameer?
Yeah, it's my house.
No, it isn't. Crazy Christian auntie who's trying to listen to what we are discussing through the wall right now.
Sir, you've got the wrong guy.
You like living here?
Sir, here as
This place, this mess.
yeah, it's my house.
No, it isn't. Sit, sit. It's that old woman's house. That crazy Christian auntie who's trying to listen to what we are discussing through the wall right now. But the stupid bitch doesn't realize she's deaf in the left ear. She thinks you're a sweet boy with a good heart, but very bad luck at rummy. Now, how will she feel when you get arrested, Sameer?
Sir, arrested?
Yes, and what will that struggling actor from Bihar think? You know, right now you are his only friend because at auditions they mock him. I mean, he's so bad, the only reason they call him back is because they want to have a good laugh. Now, how will he feel when you get dragged away from here in a police van?
Sir, you're beginning to freak me out. What do you want?
I want you to tell me who the man in the photo is.
I told you I don't know. I don't even know why you think I know, man.
Okay, I'll tell you. His name is Zafar Siddiqui.
Okay. So now you do know who he is and I still don't.
Really? Doesn't ring a bell? Zafar Siddiqui,
Arey,
son of Rumana
sir,
Siddiqui.
none of the... Rumana Siddiqui. That's... No.
Yes, your father's mistress and then second wife.
So Zafar is...
Brother.
Not exactly my...
Step brother.
Yeah, but that doesn't
You
mean...
know him.
Huh? I don't know him. I know of him. I met him like...
You met him?
Yeah, man, as kids, we played cricket together.
It's enough to make you an accomplice.
To what?
You are in deep trouble, Sameer.
Arey, why?
Your stepbrother, my friend, is a terrorist.
What shit? Zafar,
Yes.
he's a happy little kid, man. He was shit batsman, but he was a nasty bowler. ऐसा चुटकी डालता था and
He is wanted for 3 global acts of terror and for killing over 300 people.
Sir, you've got the wrong guy. Zafar and his mother left for Yemen years ago with my father.
Yes. We tracked the evidence all the way back to Yemen. You know, it was your father who got him involved in all this. He left Yemen after your father died.
Huh? My father died?
Yes, 6 years ago. But you don't really care, do you?
How did he die?
Landmine. Yeah, he was laying down the mine, had a heat stroke, fell on it.
Wow, that's...
Not why I'm here, though.
Look, sir, about Zafar, even if he is whatever you say is, which I highly doubt, even so, why have you come to me? I barely remember the kid's face, man. The last time I saw him was like 13 years ago. The only thing I do remember about him, though, is that he got me out on one LBW thing.
Now, the thing is, I don't really care how long ago you saw him. What I really care about is that you're going to see him in the near future because he is on the run and he has no friends and because we believe he's coming to India. And he will come looking for you because you are family and because your type does this kind of shit for each other. So when that murdering bastard lands up on your door, you will... No, you will let him in. No, you will let him in because I want you to let him in.
Okay, I will.
Good. And then what do you do?
Then I'll call you arrest.
No. You welcome him. You treat him like a long lost brother. You gain his trust.
Okay, I will.
Yeah?
I will.
Great. And then what do you do?
I don't know, but I'm open to fucking guidance and suggestions. Sorry.
Huh?
Okay.
Rasta वगैरह?
No.
What you will do then, Sameer, is call her.
Okay.
Yeah?
I will. Okay.